Understanding Center of Town, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, center of town. This is a common expression in English, often used in everyday conversation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your language skills, this video will help you understand and use this phrase effectively. The phrase, center of town, refers to the central part or main area of a town or city. It's often the hub of activity, where you'll find a concentration of shops, restaurants, and public facilities. It's important to understand that the center isn't always the geographical middle of the town, but rather the area that is considered the heart of the town's social and economic life. Let's look at how to use center of town in sentences. I'm meeting friends in the center of town for lunch. The parade will pass through the center of town. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe location and activity in the most lively part of a town. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. For center of town, synonyms include downtown, city center, Main Street. These terms can often be used interchangeably, depending on the context. In different countries, the center of town may have various cultural significances. For example, in many European cities, it's often a historic area with ancient buildings and landmarks. In contrast, in some modern cities, it could be a bustling area with skyscrapers and modern infrastructure. Understanding phrases like center of town is crucial for effective communication in English. We hope this video has been informative and helps you confidently use this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring and using English in real-life scenarios. See you in the next video.